Hello K1. It's me, Teacher Rhoda, and today we're going to read another short story and answer some questions. I hope you are all ready and excited to watch the video. Two little birds. I see two little birds. They are blue birds. The birds are up high in the tree. They are in a nest. This time, let's read our short story one more time, and please repeat after me. Ready? Two little birds. I see two little birds. They are blue birds. The birds are up high in the tree. They are in a nest. Now, let's review and answer some questions. Number 1. What do I see? The answer is two little birds. Number 2. What color are they? The answer is they are bluebirds. Number 3. Where are they? The answer is up high in the tree. Thank you, K1. I hope you enjoy and have fun watching my video for today. Until next time, see you again. Bye-bye.